Hello, my name is Dr. Sahabi from California Dental Group. One of the questions that I'm asked is that what is a panoramic X-ray? Now, a panoramic X-ray is an X-ray of your mouth that shows the whole jaw. I have a quick demonstration that I want to show you if you follow me on these issues. Now, this is an example of a panoramic X-ray. Now, panoramic X-rays shows some things that we don't see elsewhere, like your wisdom teeth. Sometimes it shows us the bone level if you have gum disease. Sometimes it shows us abscesses, a defect in the jaw, and also we can have a good view of the sinuses. Now these don't show up on the regular X-ray. Now this is the way we take the panoramic X-ray. It's outside of your mouth. The X-ray lead apron covers you so you don't get the exposure on your other parts of your body. Now, getting a panoramic X-ray, it's similar to getting some sun radiation. And if you have had some X-rays of your other parts of your body, it doesn't add up in your body if you take panoramic X-rays. But panoramic X-rays, it's so important, especially in treating implants or removing your wisdom teeth area, that is absolutely necessary to have a panoramic X-ray. And it's very simple. It doesn't make you gag. Now, some people have a gagging reflex. That as soon as you put something in their mouth, they start gagging. Now, panoramic X-ray works very well for those patients because it's taken from outside of your mouth, and it shows you your jaws, your wisdom teeth, any cyst developing, any problems in your sinuses. So I would recommend that highly for some of the patients that are candidates for wisdom teeth or dental implants or other procedures that require panoramic X-ray. So I appreciate your attention, and if you want to see more videos like this, please visit my website. Thank you.